Okay, so TGC 2019 starts all by itself. Then we click connect box. It's going to connect. Then it's going to come down. You can't see it on the projector because it sucks, but it'll hit play game here now. Give it a good amount of time to make sure everything works. Okay, now we're in. Now the new script has it hitting enter, so we'll see if that works here. I already had the SkyTrack on. I'll automate that later with a finger bot. Let's see, did I set my time right? Okay, let's see if we get an enter click. Might have to start a timer and see what we all take. There we go. Got the enter. And we are in. Now I can play. This is my home setup, by the way. Just converted an old barn and a bed sheet and a light.